Bisado ko na. Ay, sabi ko na may makikinig eh. Kabisado na rin kasi kita. Pero feeling ko kung bagong fur parent ka o isa kang nagbabalak na maging fur parent, hindi mo pa kabisado tong mga to. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood, meron na akong isang previous video wherein I talked about the things to consider before getting a pet. And today, let's talk about pet essentials. Before anything else, I just wanna say hi to Ate Renee kasi nag-message siya sa akin the other day na lagi daw siyang nanonood ng videos ko. So, thank you so much, Ate Renee! And special thanks to Tech Lounge PH for my Boya mic. Sobrang daming beses ko nang nagamit tong mic na to pero ngayon pa lang ako nakapagpasalamat. Thank you so much, Tech Lounge PH. Paalala lang, hindi ako vet or pet expert. I'm just here to give you suggestions based on my experience. Number one is their milk. Assuming na puppy pa lang yan, syempre kakahiwalay niya pa lang sa mommy niya and would need the nutrients from the milk. The puppy's milk is both available in powder and liquid form. Next is the pee pad. You're gonna need it initially dahil hindi pa potty trained yung puppy mo. Tongue twister. Next is the dog cage because saan matutulog. Please note na hindi pa pwede masyadong liguan yung aso mo by the time na makuha mo siya. Next is the vitamins. Same with the milk, ang dami pa nilang kailangang nutrients. So think of it like tayo, parang nung baby. Ang dami natin kailangang inuming vitamins. Next is the diaper. Well, depende na lang to sa setup niya sa bahay. So it's kinda optional. Next is the wipes. Hanggang paglaki nila yan, kailangan mo yan and you're gonna need lots of it. Next is the dog shampoo. Although hindi mo pa naman kakailanganin masyado yun dahil baby pa nga so less ligo muna for them. But it's better to have one handy. Next is of course dog food or kibbles. Next is the food bowl. Next, toothbrush. Lastly, towel. Dapat meron siyang sariling malinis na towel. Isasara ko na muna yung list since mga basic lang naman yung kailangan pag puppy pa lang. And kasi natutunan ko na rin naman over the years na hindi ko kailangan bumili ng mga hindi talaga kailangan. So even if it's your first time, I hope that you can think twice or thrice before buying anything for your dogs because ang daming temptasyon sa mundo. Sorry kung ahaba na list, pero kasi 'di ba sabi ko naman sa previous video ko na number one, dapat anticipate mo na yung mga costs kapag magkakaroon ka ng aso. And this is just the beginning. Yun lang. Thank you!